Welcome to HTML CSS Beginner series. In my video today, I will tell you how to create input forms. For instance, any user when gets login or registered, he fills his form. As here is the Google sign up form. There are various fields in it as name, username, password, confirm password and much other data you give while signing up. Basically, it is through input forms. As you can see on Facebook also, when you create an account here, so you enter different types of information in it. I have designed this quite simple input form for beginners in which maximum possible entries have been added. I have covered input form which are maximum important. So we will learn making it through HTML CSS. In last video, we have designed tables, so we will move on along with tables. If you don't know how to make tables, for that watch my previous videos. We will make the structure of input form through tables. So let's start. I copy the table and paste. I rename it and name it as forms new. Now let's design form in it, so that if you will make the tables again, it will be the wastage of time. If you want to learn making tables, then watch my last video. Now we open new file in Chrome. Let's give name to heading as user registration. Now this table consists of 5 columns, but we need 2 columns. So we will reduce this 5 columns into 2. First one is for heading and second one is for input form. You can design it in different ways at your own. Now we have removed 3 extra columns. Let me tell you again that the purpose to use pre-made table in that we may maximum focus on main topic. First heading will be of name. As I told you that before, that input can be taken from user in different ways. And these are their various types. Their text, password, date, etc. are its different types that we will observe today. As you take the example of Facebook, we give name in it which is text type. After this, we give mobile, its type is number. Then password is encrypted, its type is password. After that, date of birth which is present in the form of drop down. So in this way, data can be taken from the user in different ways and at various occasions. So these are all its different types. Input type text will be used for name. When you will write input and enter, it will add the tag. Write text as its type. You can give any name. We name it as name. Now again remove 3 columns and now give email as its heading. Now give tag of input and make email its type. Let's name its email. Name is used when we will save this all user information in database. Now we give name to the third heading. Let's give it the name of password. We will put its input type password. Let's name it also as password. We make confirm password next heading of it. Its input type will also be password. And we name the confirm password. Now we save it and see that what has been created up till now. So let's complete it. Now we give heading of date of birth and we put its input type as date and put its name as DOB. So now you can see that the option to choose the date of birth has been appeared. Next heading we give is hobbies. Hobbies can be more than one, so it gives the option to user to select more than one hobbies. We write a hobby of reading. For this, its input type will be checkbox and keep its name as hobby. For its second hobby, we keep its name as writing. Its input type we again give a checkbox. Both should have the same name. I copy and paste the name so you can see both the hobbies. After this, we ask gender from the user. For this, write input type as radio. First gender will be male. Let's keep the name my gender in it. And second can be female. Its input type will also be radio and its name will also be having radio. Now the difference between hobbies and gender is that hobbies can be more than one, and in gender user can select only one of them. Now I quickly copy and paste 2 rows so that we may quickly make next input type. Now we will take number of user. For this, input type number will be used. And let's give it the name of my number. After this, we take profile image. Its input type will be file and name will be my photo. Now you can see that you can add only alphabets in phone number and can select profile. Now I again copy and paste 2 rows. Now the next option is of reset and its input type will be reset. Let's name it also reset. In the last, submit it. Its input type will be submit and keep its name submit. Now you can do a thing in it as Facebook has kept name sign up instead of submit. So we can also change its value. For this, we will give value to it and will write sign up in it. So now its value is again that same. Now we will put all these value of input inside the form tag. For this purpose, we will use tag of form and will end it after table. Now we will tell about form of action in it, that where to process all input of the user after form submission. We will study it when we will study PHP. For the time, I just write any file name of PHP. After it, its method will be told. It can be get or post. So this complete form has been made. Now add values in it and see. First heading only in bold is looking awkward. So we will do it in TD. Now it's looking fine. Add any name. After this, add email. Then password and confirm password can be written. Date of birth can be selected. After it, we select reading as hobby and male as gender. Then my profile. Now reset means that if we press it, the complete form will be got empty again. So firstly we will sign up. As you can see that this action has moved to the page of sign up. This all data has been shifted in URL. Now we will click on reset. So the complete form has been emptied. This was our video for today. Hope you understood well. If you could not understand any of the point, ask in comments. Subscribe for the upcoming videos notification. Goodbye.